Hi, Benjamin.
Whoops.
Whoa! Oh, crash!
Come on. Come on. Get up.
Come on, go, go, go! You're getting behind.
Okay, ready? Come on.
Come on, Benjamin.
Come on, you can do it.
He's getting tired. Ugh. Oops.
We'll figure it out. They're right there.
Oh! Nice one. Okay.
Okay, walk over. Ready? Here we go. Bye, Benjamin.
Hi. Hi.
Oh,
Pay attention.
you're going.
Watch where you're walking. Don't worry about me. Uh-oh.
He's really going fast now.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Run! I don't think he's getting dizzy. I think he's just getting tired. Uh-oh. Oh, a little stumble. Okay. He's going to try going the other way. Doesn't like going the other way. Uh-huh. Hey, what are you doing? Uh-uh. No, sirs. No, no, no. Okay. Yeah.
That's enough for now.
Okay. Unplugging stuff. Come on. Come around here. Got a chair.
Yeah. Bring it She's that bone.
Mm-hmm. Likes the blue light.
Where are you going?
No, don't get that. No. Don't even look at it.
Benjamin. Dun, dun, dun. Benjamin. I see. I'm gonna get the Benjamin. I'm gonna get the Benjamin. I'm gonna get the Benjamin. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Oh.
Whoops.
Okay, you can get up. Usually runs away when I say that. See that bottom?
Take it. Uh-oh.